Okay, so here we shall explain the concept of the application of concepts of matrices in some real life situations. So suppose one question is asked, it is two farmers Ramkishan, and Gurcharan Singh Gurcharan Singh Gurcharan Singh cultivates only three varieties of rice. Only three varieties of rice, which are namely basmati and permal and nora. The sale in rupees, the sale in rupees of these three varieties of rice, the sale in rupees of these three varieties of rice um, by both the farmers, in the month of September and October, in the month of September and October, in the month of September and October are given by the matrices A and B, given by the matrices A and B, matrices A and B. So the matrix A it is. So for September, the September sales in rupees are for basmati, for permal, and for nora are given as 10,000. So the first row is for Ramkishan and the second row is for Gurcharan Singh. So permal is 20,000, nora is 30,000, and basmati is 50,000, and permal is 30,000, then nora is 10,000. Then the matrix B represents the October sales in rupees. Represents October sales in rupees for the three varieties of rice. One is basmati, and then permal and nora. So the first row is for Ramkishan. The second row is for Gurcharan Singh. Then, so the first row is 5,000, then 10,000, then 6,000, then second row is 20,000, then 10,000, then 10,000. And the first one is find the combined sales in September Find the combined sales in September and October for each farmer in each variety. Find the combined sales in September and October for each farmer in each variety. And then the second question is, find the decrease in sales from September to October. Find the decrease in sales from September to October. Then third question is, then if both farmers receive 2% profit on gross sales, compute the profit for each farmer and for each variety sold in October. So if both farmers receive 2% profit, 2% profit on gross sales, 2% profit on gross sales, then compute the profit for each farmer for each variety sold in October. For each variety sold in October. So then how to solve it? So first of all, we have to find the combined sales in September and October for each farmer in each variety. So simply we have to add the two matrices A and B. So we have to add A plus B, then we will get the combined sales. Therefore, the combined sales in September and October. Combined sales in September and October for each farmer in each variety. For each farmer in each variety is, we have to add A plus B, then we will get the combined sales of basmati rice and for permal rice and for nora rice. So the first row will be for Ramkishan and the second row will be for Gurcharan Singh. So if we add the two matrices, 5,000 plus 10,000, so that will be 15,000. For basmati, it sales is 15,000. For permal, it is 10,000 plus 20,000, that is 30,000. And for nora, it is 6,000 plus 30,000, so that is 36,000. And then for Gurcharan Singh, for basmati is 20,000 on October, and September is 50,000. So 50,000 plus 20,000 is 70,000. 70,000. Then for permal, it is 10,000 plus 30,000, so that is 40,000. Then for nora, it is 10,000 plus 10,000, that is 20,000. So these are the combined sales of September and October for each farmer and in each variety. This is the answer for part 1. Then in the part 2, the question is asked, that is, find the decrease in sales from September to October. So from September to October, the sales has decreased. As you can see, for all the rice varieties, the sales is less in the month of October than in the month of September. So therefore here we have to find change or decrease in the sales. Change or decrease in the sales from September to October. September to October is given as, we have to do A minus B. So for first row will be for basmati rice, and then second. So first column will be for basmati, second column for permal rice, and third column for Nora rice. The first row is for Ramkishan, second row is for Gurcharan Singh. So here we need to find the decrease in the sales. So the sales in the October, that we have to subtract from the sales in September. So 10,000 minus 5,000. So that is 5,000 here. And then we have to do uh, 20,000 minus 10,000. That is 10,000 here. And then for Nora for Ramkishan, the Nora rice is 30,000 minus 6,000. So that will be 24,000. Then for the Gurcharan Singh, 50,000 minus 20,000 is 30,000 is the change in sales for basmati rice. And for permal rice, it is 30,000 minus 10,000, that is 20,000. And for Nora, the sales has not changed. In September, in September and October, the sales amount is same for Gurcharan Singh. So it will be 10,000 minus 10,000, that is 0. So this is the answer. Then the third part of the question, it is told that if both farmers receive 2% profit on gross sales, compute the profit for each farmer for each variety sold in October. So we have to take the matrix B only. Since why the profit has been asked with respect to the varieties of rice sold in the month of October only. So we need to use only the matrix B. So the profit should be calculated on the sales in October, on the gross sales in the month of October only. So therefore, we need to find the profit earned by each farmer for each variety sold in October. For each variety sold in October. So that will be equal to, we need to find 2%, means 2 by 100 into the matrix B. So we need to do 0.02 into the matrix B, which is the sales in October. That is 5,000. So first column is for the basmati rice. Second column is for permal rice. And third column is for Nora rice. And the first row is for Ramkishan. The second row is for Gurcharan Singh. So for basmati rice, it is 5,000 into this will be into 10,000. So it will be 0.02 of 5,000. Then it will be 10,000. Then it will be 6,000. Then it will be 20,000. Then for Perumal, it will be 10,000. And for Nora also, it will be 10,000. So then it will be for Basmati, for Perumal, and for Nora. The profits we have to find for Ramkishan and for Gurcharan Singh. For Basmati, it will be 0.02 into 5,000, so that will be 100. 0.02 into 10,000, so that would be 200. Then for Nora, it will be 60 into 2, that is 120. And then it will be, this will be 200 into 2, that is 400. And this will be 10,000 into, means 100 into 2, that is 200. This will be also 100 into 2, that is 200. So these are the profits. So hence we can say that hence the profits earned by, and the profits earned by Ramkishan, profits earned by Ramkishan in the varieties of rice, in the varieties, namely Basmati, Permal, and Nora, are rupees 100, then rupees 200, and rupees 120 respectively.